It's time to officially kick off the saga surrounding Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The most important flagship phone from Samsung in the last 5 years that will define the next 5 years. From a whole new design to a camera setup we've never seen before, plus a surprise power pack surprise already out there, Samsung's vision of being limitless is about to take shape. Let's dive in. Now let's talk power. Rumor has it that the S26 Ultra might be the first phone to rock dual 200 megapixel sensors, one for the main camera and one for a 4x optical zoom. We're talking a crazy new periscope zoom setup, plus a bigger battery is in the mix. 5500 mAh silicon carbon battery could mean more power and efficiency, which, let's be real, we all need. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 is looking to give the S25 Ultra a run for its money, with up to 41% better benchmark performance. But wait, here's the plot twist. Samsung might bring back Exynos, not just any Exynos, but a 2nm chip with Samsung's own GPU. This could be Samsung's game-changing moment. And of course, AI is going to be massive in the S26 Ultra. Powered by One UI 8.0, Samsung's bringing us next-gen AI features that will blow your mind. Plus, that Bluetooth S Pen from the S25 Ultra? Yeah, it's coming back and it's about time. Samsung's listening to the fans. Stay tuned, stay hyped, and as always, it's time to change the game.